Jungkook's life was a mess. His salary was small. His rent was big. His fridge was empty. His brain was tired. One hot evening, he was walking back home from work, head down, kicking stones like a sad cartoon. Jungkook, why is life like this? Why didn't I get born with a rich father and a money tree? He passed by a small, dirty junk shop. The uncle outside shouted, "Uncle, Beta, come see. Antique items, lucky items." Jungkook, "Uncle, my luck is dead already." "Uncle, then revive it with this." The uncle pointed at an old, golden lamp, dusty, dull, and kind of ugly. Jungkook, "What is this? Aladdin discount version?" "Uncle, yes, exactly. This is a magical lamp, Jungkook. And I'm BTS 8th member." Uncle rolled his eyes and pushed the lamp into Jungkook's hands. "Uncle, just take it for 50 rupees. Jungkook, 50 rupees? For this whole thing? Uncle, it will change your life." Jungkook, "Fine. My life is already a joke. Let's add one more." He paid, took the lamp, and went back to his tiny room. Inside, he dropped on his bed and stared at the lamp. "Jungkook, you better give me something, okay? At least one plate of momos." He wiped the lamp with his sleeve. Suddenly, poof, smoke burst out. Lights flickered. The fan shook. "Jungkook, Eoma." From the smoke, a tall figure appeared. Beautiful face, broad shoulders, messy hair, and sparkly clothes. The man yawned. "Ah, finally. 200 years nap finished." Jungkook pressed himself into the corner of his bed. Jungkook, "Ghost, demon, smoke boy, calm down, noodle head. I'm not a ghost." He clicked his fingers. The smoke around him cleared. He smiled, eyes shining. "I am the great and powerful genie, Kim Taehyung." He did a dramatic bow. "Tai, at your service, master." Jungkook squinted. "Jungkook, uncle really sold me an Aladdin discount." Tai, "Hey, I'm premium quality, okay?" Taehyung stretched lazily like a cat. Tai, "So, Jeon Jungkook, you have awakened me from the lamp." Jungkook, "How do you know my name?" Tai, "Genie, I know things." Jungkook, "What am I thinking right now?" Tai, "That I'm handsome." Jungkook, "Annoying, not handsome." Tai pouted. Tai, "Anyway, listen well. Here are the rules." He lifted his hand and magical glowing text appeared in midair. Tai, reading. 1. The master will get 3 wishes. 2. The genie can stay outside the lamp for 30 days. 3. The genie cannot kill, cannot revive dead, cannot make someone fall in love. 4. The master cannot wish for more wishes. 5. The master cannot return the lamp for refund. Tai, who wrote this last line? Rude. Jungkook stared with wide eyes. Jungkook, "So, you're real. You're an actual genie." Tai, "Yes." Jungkook, "You can really grant wishes?" Tai, "Yes." Jungkook, "Any wish?" Tai, "Almost." Jungkook, "Make me rich." Tai, "Okay." Tai snapped his fingers. A second later, 500 rupees appeared in Jungkook's hand. Jungkook, "What is this?" Tai, "You said rich. Now you have more money than 2 seconds ago. You're richer." Jungkook, "Taehyung." He threw the notes at him. Jungkook, "I meant rich. Car, house, big bank account." Tai, "Why didn't you say that clearly? Be specific." Master. Jungkook, "Are you a dumb genie?" Tai, "Excuse me, I'm just creatively limited." Jungkook groaned and pulled his hair. Jungkook, "God gave me a faulty model." Tai floated in the air and laid there like he was on a sofa. Tai, "You still have your 3 big wishes. That 500 was a free sample." Jungkook, "Then why didn't you say so?" Tai, "You didn't ask." Jungkook took a deep breath. Jungkook, "Okay, fine. We'll use the wishes carefully. I have 30 days, right?" Tai, "Yes. After 30 days, I go back in the lamp. Unless." Jungkook, "Unless what?" Tai, "Doesn't matter. You won't want a dumb genie around forever." For a small second, Tai's face looked sad, but Jungkook was too busy thinking about money. That night, Tai refused to go back in the lamp. Jungkook, Go inside and sleep. Tai. No, Jungkook. Why, Tai? It's dark in there. Jungkook. Are you scared of the dark? You're a 200-year-old magical being, Tai. And you're a grown man scared of cockroaches? What's your point? Jungkook gasped. Jungkook. How do you know about that? Tai. Genie. I know things. Tai floated around the tiny room, touching everything. Tai. Why is your bed so small? And why is your cupboard empty? Jungkook. Because I'm poor. You glowing idiot. Tai. What is this? He held up instant noodles packet. Jungkook. That's instant noodles. Tai. What's this? He pointed at phone. Jungkook. My phone. Tai. What's this? He pointed at sock. Jungkook. Now you're just annoying on purpose. Tai grinned. He floated to the fridge, opened it, and saw one bottle of water and half a tomato. Tai. Is this a joke? Jungkook. Welcome to my life. Tai snapped his fingers. The fridge suddenly filled with food, eggs, vegetables, fruits, milk, some snacks. Jungkook's eyes went huge. Jungkook. You can do that? Tai. This is small magic. Not counted as wish. Calm down, Jungkook. Then why are you giving me 500 rupees earlier? You useless genie. Tai. I was testing your sense of humor. Jungkook grabbed an apple and bit it. For the first time in weeks, his stomach felt fully happy. He looked at Taehyung. Jungkook. Thank you. Tai blinked. Shocked. Tai. You're welcome, master. Next morning, Jungkook woke up and almost screamed. Taehyung was sleeping beside him on the bed, half hanging off, mouth slightly open, hair messy. Jungkook. Why are you on my bed? Tai opened one eye. Tai. The floor is hard. Jungkook. You float. Sleep in the air. Tai. Air is cold. Jungkook threw a pillow at his face. After breakfast, that Tai made appear with magic. Jungkook sat down seriously. Jungkook. Okay, time to plan. Tai sat opposite him, cross-legged in the air. Tai. Plan for what? Jungkook. My 3 wishes. We must be smart. Tai. Are you sure? That will be difficult for you. Jungkook. I will pour water in your lamp. Jungkook thought hard. Jungkook. I don't want to waste my wish. I don't need luxury. I just want to fix my life. No debts. No rent problem. No fear. Tai watched him quietly. Tai. So what do you want? Jungkook. Okay. First wish. He stood up. Jungkook. I wish that all my current loans and debts are fully paid, and I never again have any due amount pending from the past. Tai whistled. Tai. You worded that very well, master. Smart. Jungkook. Cartoon and K-dramas taught me. Jenny's twist words. Tai smirked. Tai. As you say. He clicked his fingers. Dust of light swirled around Jungkook's phone, and some papers lying nearby. Tai. Done. Jungkook's phone buzzed with multiple messages. Your loan has been fully paid. Your credit card outstanding amount is now 0. Electricity bill cleared. Jungkook's hands shook. Jungkook. Is this real? Tai shrugged casually. Tai. Yup. I might be dumb, but I'm still a genie. Jungkook's eyes turned glassy. Without thinking, he rushed forward and hugged Taehyung tightly. Jungkook. Thank you. You don't know how heavy it was. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't breathe. Thank you. Tai froze. No one had hugged him like that in. He didn't even remember. Slowly, his arms came up and hugged Jungkook back. Tai. Don't cry. You'll make my clothes wet. Jungkook sniffled against his chest. Jungkook. They're magical. They'll dry. Tai chuckled softly. Tai. Tache. Master. Jungkook still went to work, but now life was lighter. Taehyung followed him everywhere, invisible to others. At the bus stop, Tai. Why don't you wish for a car? Jungkook. Because I can't afford petrol or parking. Tai. Fair. On the bus, Tai sat on Jungkook's lap because there was no space. Jungkook. Can you not sit on me? Tai. Relax. Only you can feel me. Enjoy the VIP seat. Jungkook. I hate you. Tai. Your heartbeat says different. At work, Tai floated near the counter, commenting on customers. Tai. This one will ask for extra sugar, but say, make it diet. Jungkook. Stop reading minds, you psycho. Tai. Jealous you can't? A girl from Jungkook's office, Nari, came to the counter. Nari, Jungkook, want to go for pizza after work? Tai froze. Tai, excuse me? Jungkook, not hearing him, smiled nervously at Nari. Jungkook, today I'm busy. Sorry. Nari, okay, maybe next time. She left. Tai floated in front of Jungkook's face. Tai, who is she? Jungkook, my colleague. Tai, why is she asking you for pizza? Jungkook, because she wants to eat. Tai, with you? Jungkook, yes. Tai, unacceptable. He snapped his fingers. Jungkook, yeah, don't turn her into a frog or something. Tai, relax, I didn't do anything. Yet, he sulked the rest of the day. That night, Jungkook laughed while drinking hot chocolate. Also magically appeared. Jungkook, were you jealous? Tai, of course not. Why would I be jealous of pizza girl? Jungkook, her name is Nari. Tai, I don't care if her name is garlic bread. Jungkook, you're so obvious. Tai, you're so annoying. He poofed to the ceiling and crossed his arms, floating upside down. Jungkook smiled to himself. 1 week passed like that. Life became fun. Jungkook, less stressed, more secure. Tai, less lonely, more noisy. They fought daily over small things. Jungkook, don't use magic in the room. Landlord will hear noise. Tai, don't use 200 rupees shampoo like it's water. Jungkook, you don't even wash your hair. You magically clean it. Tai, and you can magically shut up. One evening, Jungkook came home tired. Jungkook, I wish my boss would stop scolding me so much. Tai, mishearing. Tai, second wish accepted. Jungkook, wait no, too late. Tai snapped his fingers. Next day at office, his boss came in, looked at Jungkook, and smiled. Boss, Jungkook, you're doing very well these days. I'm promoting you. Jungkook, huh? Boss, and I will never scold you again. All day, the boss was weirdly sweet. Tai appeared by the water cooler. Tai, you're welcome. Jungkook, what did you do? Tai, I changed his personality a bit. Jungkook, how? Tai, let's just say he's living in a meditation loop in his mind. While going back home, Jungkook looked troubled. Jungkook, I didn't want my second wish used like that. Tai went white. Tai, you wish I didn't use it? Jungkook looked at him. Jungkook, I wish you had asked me first. I wanted to save the wishes for something big. But I can't say the result is bad. Tai scratched his neck. Tai, sorry. I heard the word wish and panicked. Habit. You'll still thank me later. He suddenly leaned close. Tai, also, you still have one wish. Jungkook, yeah, one last wish. He felt something heavy in his chest. Not because of the wish, because 30 days were passing fast. On the 20th day, they lay on the roof of the building, side by side, looking at the stars. Tai was glowing softly, just a little bit, like a nightlight. Jungkook, you're shining. Tai, magic leaks out when I'm relaxed. Jungkook, show off. Tai, you like it. Silence for a moment. Jungkook, Taehyung, when did you become a genie? Tai looked at the sky. Tai, long time ago. I was human once. But I was greedy. I made a bad deal. I became this. Jungkook turned to him. Jungkook, don't you feel lonely? Tai laughed lightly. Tai, of course I do. I wake up after hundreds of years, grant some wishes, then sleep again. No one stays for long. No one keeps me. His voice was calm, but his eyes were too quiet. Jungkook felt something twist in his chest. Jungkook, is there no way for you to become human again? Tai hesitated. Tai, there is a rule, a secret one. If someone uses their last wish not for money or power or selfish gain, but to ask for my freedom, the universe can turn me human again. Jungkook's heart jumped. Jungkook, then wouldn't anyone do it? Tai smiled without humor. Tai, because no one wastes their last wish on the genie. They all say, I like you, but I need this wish for myself. Jungkook stayed silent. Tai turned his head and grinned in his usual way. Tai, anyway, don't look so serious. You're not allowed to use your wish on me. I refuse. Jungkook, you can't refuse my wish. Tai, watch me. He poked Jungkook's cheek. Tai, use your wish on something for yourself. Buy a house. Build a business. Anything. Jungkook, what if I want you? Tai's hand stilled. Tai, don't joke like that. Jungkook's voice was soft. Jungkook, who said I'm joking? Their eyes met in the dim light. Neither spoke. But something changed. As the days went by, Jungkook became quieter. He used to tease, argue, shout. Now he often just watched Taehyung like he was trying to memorize him. On the 28th day, Tai appeared in the room with 2 bags. Tai, I bought you clothes. Jungkook, you bought? With what money? Tai, I stole some gold from my lamp. Jungkook, is that allowed? Tai, who will complain? The lamp? He showed Jungkook a new hoodie, jeans, and shoes. Tai, for when I'm gone. I don't want you to go back to old torn clothes. Jungkook, stop talking like that. Tai, like what? Jungkook, like you're going to disappear forever. Tai smiled gently. Tai, it's my fate, master. You knew it from the first day. Jungkook's eyes got wet. Jungkook, I hate this. I hate magic. I hate lamps. I hate 30 days. It's too short. Tai touched his shoulder. Tai, hey, you got your debts cleared. You got a good boss. Your life is better now. Use the last wish for something extra. Something safe. Jungkook suddenly pushed his hand away. Jungkook, stop thinking only about magic. I don't care about wishes. I care about you. Tai went silent. Jungkook's voice broke. Jungkook, I got used to you being here, eating my food, sitting on my bed, annoying me, calling me master like an idiot. How am I supposed to just let you vanish? Tai's own throat felt tight. He tried to joke. Tai, you'll be okay. Humans forget fast. Jungkook, I won't forget you. Tai, don't say that. You'll make me want something I can't have. Tears finally rolled down Jungkook's cheeks. Jungkook, too late. I already want you to stay. Tai stared at him, heart beat loud. Slowly, he stepped closer and cupped Jungkook's face with both hands. Tai, you're going to regret this. Jungkook, regret what? Tai, this. He leaned in and kissed Jungkook. It was soft, a little shaky, like a first-time secret when the world is sleeping. Jungkook's hands held onto Taehyung's shirt. Jungkook, don't disappear. Tai, don't make me hope. The last day, day 30 arrived like a slap. The lamp sat on the table, quiet, waiting. Tai stood near the window, not looking at Jungkook. Tai, midnight. I go back. You still have one wish. Use it. Jungkook, I already decided. Tai, good. What do you want? Say exactly. I'll grant it. Jungkook walked up to him. Jungkook, look at me. Taehyung slowly turned his head. Jungkook held his gaze. Jungkook, Taehyung, my last wish is. Tai tensed. Jungkook, I want you to be free from the lamp. I want you to become human again. And I want you to stay with me. Tai sucked in a breath. Tai, no. Jungkook, you can't reject it. Tai, I said no. The room shook a little with his power. Tai grabbed Jungkook's hands. Tai, do you understand what you're throwing away? You could wish for a house, money for your whole life, a business, anything. Don't waste it on me. I'm not. Jungkook, not worth it? He stepped closer. Jungkook, you paid my loans. You filled my fridge. You made me laugh. You stayed when I cried. You kept calling me master even when I shouted at you. Don't say you're not worth it. Tai's eyes glittered. Tai, you'll have to struggle again. Life won't be easy. Jungkook, at least I'll struggle with you yelling in my ear. Tai, I'm serious. Jungkook, so am I. He took a deep breath. Jungkook, clear, loud. I wish Kim Taehyung is free from the lamp, no longer a genie, and becomes a normal human who can live in this world with me. Everything went silent. Then, boom, the lights flickered. The lamp shook on the table, cracks forming. Wine swirled in the room, though the windows were closed. Taehyung doubled over, clutching his chest. Jungkook panicked. Jungkook, Taehyung? Tai, it's okay. This is just system update. He shone brighter and brighter. Then suddenly, all light vanished. Tai dropped to his knees. breathing hard. Jungkook knelt in front of him, grabbing his shoulders. Jungkook, are you okay? Say something. Ty looked up. His eyes, still beautiful, but softer. His clothes, no longer glowing, turned into simple jeans and a t-shirt. His aura, his magic glow, gone. Ty, my head hurts. Jungkook, can you float? Ty tried to snap his fingers. Nothing happened. Ty, oh, he looked at his hands like they were new. Ty, I can't feel the magic. Jungkook's heart raced. Jungkook, does that mean? Ty reached up and touched Jungkook's cheek. His hand was warm, human warm. No buzzing magic, no sparkling dust. Ty smiled, small and disbelieving. Ty, looks like your stupid wish worked. Jungkook laughed, half crying. Jungkook, you're human. Ty, I'm human. He pressed his forehead to Jungkook's. Ty, idiot. You really wasted your last wish on me. Jungkook, I invested it. Big difference. Ty chuckled. Weeks later, Taehyung was now learning how to use a phone, burning eggs instead of magically cooking, fighting with Jungkook over blanket space. They had moved to a slightly better room, since Jungkook's money problems were less now and he got a promotion. They were saving together. One lazy Sunday morning, Jungkook was lying on the bed, scrolling his phone. Taehyung came out of the kitchen with black, suspicious toast. Jungkook, what is that? Ty, breakfast. Jungkook, for human or for ghost? Ty, if you don't like it, make magic food yourself. Jungkook, you don't have magic anymore. Ty, I know, but you have hands. He sat beside Jungkook and took a bite. Ty, crispy. Jungkook, that's burnt. Ty, it's my style. Jungkook took the toast from his hand and put it down. Jungkook, I didn't free you from the lamp to die from food poisoning. Ty grinned and leaned his head on Jungkook's shoulder. Ty, you freed me because you love me. Jungkook, I freed you because I needed someone to wash dishes. Ty, liar. Jungkook, drama queen. Ty, master. Jungkook, don't call me that in public. Ty, okay, only in bed. Jungkook choked. Jungkook, Kim Taehyung. Ty burst out laughing. Ty softly wrapped an arm around Jungkook's waist. Ty, hey, thank you. Jungkook, for what? Ty, for wasting your last wish on me. Jungkook looked at him, eyes gentle. Jungkook, Taehyung, you were never a waste. He kissed his nose. Jungkook, you were my best wish. Ty smiled, so wide his eyes turned into crescents. Ty, then I'll spend the rest of my stupid human life. Try not to make you regret it. Jungkook, too late. Ty, already regret? Jungkook, no, I mean you already stuck with me. Ty, good. He pulled Jungkook closer, while the burnt toast waited sadly on the plate. Outside, the world was still hard. Money was still limited. Life was still not a fairy tale.